welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are starting the video at a freezing cold temperature. It's -10 right now and I'm totally frozen from head to toe. But no worries, I have just the remedy for this coldness. We are going to go to this restaurant where it serves spicy and hot piping soup and meat. We will be having Jokbal. It's a famous Korean pig trotters, and trust me, this is a very popular food in Korea. It's known as the beauty food, especially among the ladies. So let's do some warm-up. We will be starting with a pot of boiled pork belly to keep warm over the small flame. It's just an opening act, but it's really soft and tender. Look at this, it's really jiggling. Next up, let's start the Korean food ritual. Everything can be a wrap. We will be using lettuce as a base to do this wrap. Input with some garlic, pork, ginger, and some kimchi that's spicy. Don't forget the chili. And there you go. This is how you complete the first wrap of the day. And one bite is a total explosion of flavors. Lots of different food that are mixing well, and the flavor will just flow up as you chew. Chili and hot soup are so popular that it is carved deeply into Korean culture. Because of the cold place they had, they use these two items to fight the cold. Keep watching because we have at least 3 more food to be shown later that is absolutely delicious. For our second wrap, we'll be using perilla leaves as a base. It looks very green, right? It is actually the same family as the mint leaves, so that means that it will give it a refreshing base that people love. Mixing in with the same stuff like garlic, kimchi, pork belly, and chili, the wrap is complete in no time. The only difference between this and the initial lettuce wrap is it gives a mint flavor. Imagine combining it with the spicy chili and the fatty pork that is rinsing out. It gives a very nice bite. Fresh, minty, spicy, all mixed together. For the second dish, the main one is served, is the Jokbal. Look at the presentation. The meat is definitely sliced with precision and well placed beside that big bone. It is really a big leg after all. I'm gonna try the meat first with some chili, follow up with the fatty skin, which is the beauty part of it. This is the part where the collagen level is the highest. Taste is definitely good because this entire meat has been braised in hours with a mixture of soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and even the rice wine. And now, back to the ritual again. You know the culture, you know the rules. We will be doing another wrap. Lettuce as a base, we are putting in bean sprout, some of the fatty skins. Don't forget the kimchi, the garlic, the chili, and we can wrap it up and start to savor the taste. If you ask any local Koreans what they think about that pig trotters, they will grade it with such high marks that they will tell you that having that food is much better than your few $1,000s worth of facial cream. Of course, it would be definitely better if I can choose to just have the collagen part to enter my body rather than the fatty parts. Right, now we're at the third out of the fourth dish, and I promise this is a fun one. It's called Jokbal. It's actually a bowl of rice with seaweed, sesame oil, and some prawn roll. You need to make sure that you wear your gloves to roll it up, mix it up with your hands and gloves before you squeeze this into the balls that you love. This is like a gym session where you have to make sure the balls that you squeeze are hard enough, and don't be lazy because if you do, the balls that didn't squeeze hard enough will be easily fallen off if you try to eat them out. And you know how we react to carbs, right? Anything that gives you your weights is absolutely delicious. It's the same for this rice ball. Tasty, really tasty and dangerous. And finally, the last dish of the meal, which is definitely the best, sundubu jjigae. It's a bubbling, angry red pot of a spicy tofu stew. As I mentioned from the start of the video, it's freezing outside, and this spicy bra with the tofu is the only thing that actually makes sense. It's spicy, it's hot, and it pairs perfectly with the rice bowl that we just struggled to make. It's the perfect medicine for the cold. Are you a food lover? Do you love traveling? If yes, you must support the channel. Subscribe to look forward to more episodes from Jay's journey.